Established almost 200 years ago, the family business Massard & Company specialises in turning and screw cutting solutions for precision parts. Massard manufactures studs, tie rods, inserts, connectors, plugs, stud bars and any rotating parts according to your needs, in small or large batches, in diameters from 2 to 60 millimeters and up to 2.8 meters long. Massard's flexible, responsive staff listens and adapts to your requirements. After studying your drawings, they optimize their machine shop capabilities to ensure your parts are of the highest quality at the best price, then implement the appropriate machining processes and work methods. Massard has built a spacious new factory that has improved the production stream. Thanks to a large stock of bars in a wide range of grades and diameters, Massard is able to respond quickly to its customers' specific demands while ensuring total traceability. The performance and diversity of its production facilities, along with the skills and the experience of its work teams, guarantee the levels of rigour, precision and care that your parts require. Depending on your specified quality standard, the parts undergo total inspection or scheduled sample inspection during production. The workshop of CNC multi-spindle lathes with bar feeder is supplemented by thread rolling machines. The production area, dedicated to large production runs, features concurrent tool setup stations for quick production changeover. The lean manufacturing SMED and multi-dimensional inspection stations with computerized optical profilers SPC. Massard completes his offering with in-house assembly, marking, surface finishing and parts cleaning operations, while outsourcing heat treatment and surface coating to local partners under its close supervision. Massard is certified according to ISO 9001 since 1993 and has all the necessary inspection tools and methods to guarantee the quality levels its customers demand. Massard is also ISO 14001 certified, meaning it limits the impact of its business on the surrounding ecosystem by processing the whole of its waste and effluents, air treatment, the collection, centrifuging and treatment of swarf, used oil recycling, wastewater treatment. Ideally located midway between the major towns of Saint-Étienne, Lyon and Clermont-Ferrand, Massard is able to bring the whole of your projects to fruition, no matter how complex they are.